Hey guys, welcome back to Elliot and Elijah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unscrew a controller, a PS4 controller, and this is one of the newer ones. And then the next vid, which will be tomorrow, is how to screw it back in. So this is the piece that I'm going to add in. It's going to go right here instead of that from the other one I had it. So you start by screwing this off. So I'm going to screw it off whilst pausing it because it'll take too long. Okay, so after you got all of the screws off, right? I'm putting them over there so you don't lose them. So put them somewhere where you don't lose it. And now you have to just open it. And then there's this thing that connects it, so you just pull that out, and you don't want to pull it out from there because it will be hard to put it back in. And I'm not taking this bit out, so I just go unplug that. Now you need to unplug the battery. So that's not supposed to happen, but you can fix that pretty easily. Right, I just fixed it. You just had to push it in and then push so it would go in, but that wouldn't normally happen. Now you undo this and it might be a little bit hard. And then on my other one, I accidentally broke this bit. So you have to unscrew this. So I can unscrew that on camera. And I'm looking at the camera, so it's going to be a little bit harder. Okay, so I took it out. This one you have to keep in a different spot because it's a different size. Now you have to unplug this one. So unplug it, push it down in, lift it up. Now here's the brain of the thing, and I think I can maybe hydro dip these. Make a video on hydro dipping these triggers because you can take them out pretty. If I can remember again. I don't know how I did it last time, but you can take them out. But if you guys want a video of how to do these, take these out, just comment. So this is just if you want to look at it. That's how you get these customized. But yeah. So wait a second. Okay, so you don't need this bit though. It's this bit. So you just peel these out. And then this one I'll take it out. But then you go like this. Okay guys, sorry to cut you off. I forgot to end the video because I was putting the controller instantly back together, and that's a separate video. But so this is the end, obviously. And like, share, subscribe, and here's a sneak peek. Okay, so now that I showed you the sneak peek, Like, you had to pause it though. Well, that was obvious because it was like a flash. So like, share, subscribe, and bye guys.